On the back side, you're going to do the activities. Write a spelling word on the line that rhymes with each word. These are your spelling words: home, rope, toad, coast, stove, roam, goat, code, and your challenge words are lonely and cloak. Number 9, the word is phone. Which of the words over here rhymes with the word phone? Number 10 is the word dome. Which of these words rhymes with the word dome? Number 11 is the word load. Which of these words rhymes with the word load? Number 12 is the word moat. Which of the words rhymes with the word moat? After you have completed the rhyming words, which are home, rope, toad, coast, stove, roam, goat, and code, then you will complete the bottom. And at the bottom, you are to write the spelling words from over here that go with the meaning. Number 13 is a chord or line. 1 through 8, which of these words would be a chord or line? Number 14, land next to the sea. Which of these words mean land next to the sea? Number 15 is a system of symbols or letters. Which of these words would be a system of symbols or letters? And number 16 is used for cooking or heating. Which of our words would mean used for cooking or heating? The word moat, on number 12, it means a deep or wide ditch surrounding a castle or a fort. Now, again, your words are home, rope, toad, coast, stove, roam, goat, code. These are the words you will choose from to do your rhyming words and for the meanings at the bottom. Please be sure you pay attention, use your best handwriting, and do your personal best. You can replay this video to hear your directions again and to hear the meaning of the words. You do not need to ask anyone for help on this part because I've read every bit of it to you. So again, if you need help, play this video again.